Hello everyone, this is Nicole with the Outdoor Plus, and today we're here at beautiful Upland, California. We're at one of our customers' house and we're showcasing this beautiful Comet made out of corten steel that they purchased from us. I just want to mention that everything that we manufacture is in Ontario, California, whether it's our bullet burner, our ignition system, and the sculpture itself. This beautiful Comet is made out of corten steel, and the corten steel is actually a metal that it's designed to rust on purpose, and it actually protects your fire sculpture while rusting. As well, it just gives a beautiful touch to this beautiful home. It just complements it so much. And so the customer has another corten steel sculpture, and it just gives it a better touch with its weathered look. This fire sculpture was ordered with a bullet burner. Something special about the bullet burners from the Outdoor Plus is that they have lifetime warranty, and they are made out of 304 stainless steel with brass tips. This bullet burner is specialized to help you save gas while you're having more flame, and it's very ideal for this cozy seasons when you want to stay warm and you just want to have a good time around your home like this. You can just have gatherings, and it's beautiful, and you're still going to save a lot of your bills, and it will help you to stay warm. If this is a centerpiece that you're interested in, make sure you contact us. And if you're wondering if we have more than this, we do. Check out our website and you will find anything that you are imagining, whether it's a fire and water feature, only fire, only water. Make sure you contact us and we would love to help you out. As well, just to let you guys know, we offer custom for everything. So if you want this in bigger, smaller, round, square, or you just want to work in your own project and have something unique with your own essence, make sure you contact us, and we are great for custom projects. Check out our website, give us a call if you're interested, and like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below for what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.